What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into tech news. First story of the day. My favorite almost coming out phone, the BTS edition of the Galaxy S20 Plus. We've got some real life photos and we have a real life video of this phone in action and the buds. Let's check it out. These first photos come from the Weibo site, Chinese networking site, and this shows off the mirrory reflection of this phone, and it looks like it changes all kinds of colors from like the bunch of purples and pink colors to aquas and blues, and just amazing looking phone with the BTS branding at the bottom and the Samsung branding as well there. The heart on the camera, which is their little signature sign. I love the look of this phone. I just wish this color came out sooner. And then speaking of the actual hands-on video, this comes from the magazine Elle, or website Elle, I guess now. But regardless, they show off the phone in hands-on, this reflectiveness and the buds and the phone overall. It's amazing. I love this color. So cool. And also remember, if you want to pre-order / reserve it, the link is down below. Next up is a first look at the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. And don't go crazy. Remember, it's 12.4 inches, but again, don't go crazy. It looks identical to the 11-inch version of the Galaxy Tab S7 that we've seen before. So no real big changes, and the overall design isn't like, oh my God, so futuristic. Looks like a cool tablet, should be super high powered, Snapdragon 865, 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM, tons of storage, micro SD card slot, S Pen, the whole shebang, 120 hertz display. It's gonna be an awesome tablet. And the last story of the day, all about the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, a phone I am itching for. Itching so bad, I kinda wanna buy the Galaxy Fold 1 ahead of time, but I'm looking for a good deal. If anyone can get me that phone for $1,000, I'll buy it. Anyways, guys, Galaxy Fold 2, you're probably wondering what the battery size is going to be, and because that's a big thing. It's got this huge display, 7.7 inch, big display on the outside. It's got a 6.2 and 3-inch display, 120 hertz display at that. So it's gonna be a power hungry device, Snapdragon 865. Well, this comes from the tech guy on Twitter. He's saying upcoming Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 comes with a 4365 milliamp battery. So it's a dual battery system using a 2090 milliamp and a 2275 milliamp battery. When you total those up, you get 4365 milliamp battery. So smaller than, say, a Galaxy S20 Ultra phone, also smaller than a Galaxy S20 Plus phone, smaller than the Note 20 Plus / Ultra phone, which is gonna have a 4500 milliamp. So hopefully it runs absolutely fine. It is a bigger battery than the previous generation of the Galaxy Fold 1, so that's a good thing overall, but nothing to like completely blow you away battery size wise. But remember, it should make the device not super heavy. It's already gonna be a thick device when it's completely closed in half. So what do you guys think? Does it make you not wanna buy this phone? Is you still okay with it? I'm still okay with it. I want it. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.